Hi everyone, Carl Larsen here from the Soil Wealth ICP team. Down here today at our Tarwin demo site in South Gippsland, Victoria. Now this site focuses on maintaining soil carbon in a greenfield site that's been transitioned from pasture through to celery, leek and spinach production gradually over the last 5 or 10 years. Now we're in a site today where we've had a leek cash crop, which you can see just behind me, which is being harvested. We've had 4 different treatments here, which has been a mix of cover crops, compost and minimum till. Now we've put in a mix of cover crop species here into the different treatments. That's included a Japanese millet, a buckwheat vetch combo, and we've compared that to a grower standard practice of cultivation and a cereal rye cover crop. Now, one thing we did notice that there was a big difference in what soil carbon was maintained in some of the treatment areas last year. And we're here today comparing again, 3rd year into the trial, what does that look like compared to years 1 and year 2? Have we lost more or gained more? And I can tell you from the results of the in-field labile carbon test that we were doing today, labile carbon being a really good test of soil microbiological activity, or how many microbes or critters you've got under your feet working for you. Last year, treatment 4, which was a combination of minimum till and cover crop, was the better performer in labile carbon. Today, what we've found is the treatment 3, which is actually the grower standard practice and the composting and cultivation, was the better performer compared to treatment 4, which was actually the cover crop and minimum till last year. So we're comparing these trial areas here, it's treatments 1, 2, 3 and 4, compared to a control here, which is the purple. So really fascinating to see that just that role of ground cover playing in soil carbon maintenance and making sure we don't lose it. But we had some really interesting findings today just around the soil structure as well in some of these areas. You can see just to your left of screen there, that's treatment 4. We're looking at treatment 4 here with leeks, which are being harvested this week in late April, through to treatment 3, which are leeks as well. That bay was harvested today, and then just beyond there into treatment 2, which is actually pea tendrils, and then treatment 1 is just to the far end of your screen there, which is fallow at the moment. But look, stay tuned. We're going to have some soil chemistry results, some soil pathogen DNA results as well for you really shortly. We'll make sure we push those out through Soil Wealth ICP social media and the website, as well as a case study. Stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Thanks.